Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Bantu knot out tutorial on my blow dried natural hair. And I just posted the tutorial showing you guys how I got my hair in this blowout. So make sure to check out that video if you want to see how I blow dried my hair. And I'll link that video and all the products I use in the description box below. In the winter, I usually wear my hair in blowout styles because in the harsh winter weather, it's really easy for me to get thousands and thousands of single strand knots if I wear my hair curly. Especially if I wear my hair curly down in like a scarf or something. The ends of my hair just curl on themselves and it just ends in disaster. And then I have to trim my hair so much and then I have no length retention. So it's just way easier for me to wear my hair stretched out. For this hairstyle, all I need is hair elastics to section my hair, a wide tooth and a fine tooth comb to detangle my ends, the Trader Joe's 100% pure jojoba oil, and the Texture ID thermal multi-styling foam. And I like to add the jojoba oil and the foam to each section because both of these products combine to give me great shine and hold and help me detangle. I also use 2 drops of the jojoba oil and 2 to 3 pumps of the foam. And it's really important to make sure that my ends are really detangled before twisting the sections and Bantu knotting them. Because if I don't detangle my ends, when I take my hair down, my hair will not be formed into curls and the tangles will be very obvious. Especially if there's a knot at your end, when it's in the Bantu knot out shape, the knot will be very, very evident. But also make sure not to comb or brush your hair too much or too harshly when it's blow dried. Because I've noticed that when my hair is blown out, it's always slightly easier to break it off. I also have very fine hair strands, so this is also probably why my hair is more fragile in a blowout. And the Texture ID thermal multi-styling foam is definitely one of my all-time favorite products to use for Bantu knot outs and roller sets. And I also have videos on my channel of the last Bantu knot out I used with this product and the roller set I did with this product. And I got this product from Sally Beauty on sale, and I believe it was only like $5, which was really good. It definitely seems like a more expensive product. And it makes my hair so shiny, helps me detangle, has great hold for the hairstyles. And most importantly, for this blowout style, it doesn't make my hair revert to curly when I apply it. Because if you're trying to do a style on a blowout, then if you use a product that will make your hair revert, it would just defeat the entire purpose. So you definitely need a product that isn't too water-based that's going to revert your hair back instantly as you apply it. And yesterday I actually realized that my hair has been in this blowout for 3 weeks, which I can't really explain because I always wash my hair once a week or like once every week and a half. But it's literally been 3 weeks and my scalp is still clean and isn't even irritated or anything. So I don't know how my hair decided all of a sudden to just be okay with me procrastinating wash day. And my scalp is also just fine with this. But I'm not complaining because this is great. But if you're like me and want to procrastinate wash day as long as possible, then this Bantu knot out method is definitely a really great way for extending how long you can wear your blowout. When I Bantu knot my hair, I do a 2-strand twist down the section, and then I start twirling, wrapping my hair into another twist. And then I twirl my finger, twisting my hair more as I create the Bantu knot. So basically just keep twisting during the entire process. And you want your hair to be stacked like a cylinder when you're Bantu knotting. So it's kind of hard to explain, but basically twist your hair on the base of your scalp. Wait, am I explaining this right? Twist your hair on the base of the scalp. You always want the part of the twist that isn't in the Bantu knot yet to be against your head. So keep twisting your hair, keep the end of the twist twisted around the base of the Bantu knot, and the part that was first twisted should be moving upwards away from your head until it's all a cylinder. So just keep the end of the twist at the base of your head at all times. I've never explained that much before. That was kind of hard to explain. It's kind of just like you'll just know if it feels right. You'll know if it's wrong. Because it will untwist. And another method is to just do a single strand twist by wrapping the hair clockwise until it's all twisted up. But I like doing the 2-strand twist method because it gives me more definition. So with the single strand method, you just take the section and just start wrapping your wrist until the whole thing is just one twist, and then you just Bantu knot like normal. And after the Bantu knot is made, twist the entire Bantu knot in the opposite direction to loosen it so your hair isn't too tight. And if the Bantu knots aren't loosened like this, then you might cause breakage, which you really don't want. And also make sure to be really, really gentle with the ends of your hair, especially if your hair is blow dried. Because while you're wrapping your hair like this, it's really easy to accidentally just snap your ends off. And trust me, I used to do this hairstyle incorrectly and way too tight all the time. And I always accidentally snap my ends off, and I really didn't care about length retention at the time. So I was like, single strand knots, split ends, I'll just break it off. Didn't even use scissors or anything, just snapped it off. Please don't do that. You're gonna cause so many split ends that'll just split up your hair shaft, and I don't want you to go through what I did. So please don't do that. And now it's the next day and I'm taking down the Bantu knots with some jojoba oil. And oiling my hands with the jojoba oil helps me to take down the Bantu knots without creating any added frizz. Before the style, I don't really care that much about frizz because the goal is to be voluminous. And this was the final result of the Bantu knot out on my blow-dried natural hair. And of course, I had to take some Instagram selfies. And I didn't even remember that I was still recording while I was taking the picture. So it was very funny to me editing this that this clip was in here. And I haven't done this like, comment, subscribe dance since like my first couple of videos, but for some reason I was feeling like doing it. So thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.